From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. And the name of this video, traders, the dip, the rip, and the MrTopStep Boot Camp. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 21.17.5 recently. The low came in at 21 even early in the morning. And last, we're 21.11 even. We're up 5 handles on the day. Total volume, we've got 1.25 million minis traded and 2.2 thousand big S&Ps traded in the pit. The MIM started out showing like 250 million to sell or 300 million to sell. It kind of chopped around a little bit, like to down 500 million to sell. And then again, right before the cash close, we got this big sell order that came in that had the MIM down 1.5 billion to sell MOC, and the actual MOC came out to sell 1.4 billion. Wow. You know what? I'm going to say it doesn't seem to matter what day of the week it is, what day of the month it is, or what day of the year it is. There's this continued MOC selling. And it's, in addition to that, it's not only happening at the end of the month, it's happening at the beginning of the month. This is very, very unlike what we would normally see during times like this. Now, the other part of it is that there is no doubt about it that they were selling bonds and buying stocks today, and it looks like those buyers got a free ride, at least for the first part of the day. But then you got this big MOC sell order late in the day, and the S&P does a flunk-a-dunk, and it looked like the rats jumped ship. Now look, tomorrow we've got the motor vehicle sales, we've got the Gallup US ECI, we've got the Redbook, we've got the factory orders number, and a four-month T-bill. Nobody cares too much about that. Now look, I hate to say it, but I think it's the same old, same old. I still think the risk is to the upside. And while I thought that we were going to run those stops above 21.22 last week, I got a feeling that we're going to get them this week. I just do. And I know that the market's that kind of crappy right now, but you know what? It's all about running stops, and that's what the S&P does best. And surely that's what we've seen lately. And then the last part I want to talk about, look, we're trying to nail the videos down. We just haven't got it down. I can sit in front of my computer. I can stand here. I can be outside. It doesn't matter where I'm standing. But at the end of the day, you know, we've been doing this like this for a while, so we're going to kind of keep it going like that. But what I want to jump on real quick is the MrTopStep Boot Camp coming up on June 15th. Look, it's a really, really great opportunity as we go into the summer to, even if you have taken it or you've not taken it, to get a great look at what MrTopStep does. The trading room, the MIM room, everybody, Shy Stock, Tim from Top Notch, WB, everybody chiming in, everybody making good trades. You know, you can't beat it as far as our room. And to tell you the truth, I think we've got one of the best rooms out there. So I'm asking you guys to do me a favor, sign up for the boot camp, and make sure that we talk when we can do it live. But I'm going to leave it like that, you guys. S&P is going out a little soft. That big sell order late in the day, yikes. We'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.